Welcome to the Bully View, where today we're uncovering the legacy of a breed that's been cloaked in myth and mystery, the formidable Dogo Argentino. Deep in the heartlands of Argentina, against the sprawling backdrop of the Pampas, a new breed was born. One bred to battle boars and pumas, yet gentle enough to safeguard a home. The Dogo Argentino's striking all-white coat is more than just a beautiful exterior. It's a battle armor, a testament to the rugged terrains it conquered and the challenges it overcame. Imagine a breed so powerful, its ancestral bloodline boasts of battling against wild predators. Yet, this same breed can transition into being a loyal guardian,